guys, so today I want to talk about OpenAI and their APIs GPT-4 and ChatGPT. So using their API, I created a fun little tool called Instagram Bio Generator. So what this does is generate your next Instagram bio using ChatGPT. So we all have some kind of bio already in Instagram. So for me, I wrote like travel, capture, build. I build things on the internet. So you can generate fun ideas for your next Instagram bio using my tool. So you can just copy your current bio or write a few sentences about yourself. So let's say I write like creating fun content, aspiring YouTuber, and trying to explore the world. So you have three options here. You can select like professional vibe, casual, or funny. And I highly recommend checking out funny. But if say I wanted to be professional, you can just hit generate your bio. So it's gonna rewrite and give you two options. Creating fun content and exploring the world, one adventure at a time, aspiring YouTuber with a passion for filming and editing. So pretty good. But you can also choose funny and you'll get fun ideas. So here it says aspiring YouTuber trying to explore the world, one corny joke at a time. If laughter is the best medicine, I'll be your personal pharmacist. So it's pretty good, definitely funnier than me. So definitely check it out. Here I've hosted it on Versal, so insta-bio.versal.app. I'll have a link in the bio